Hello friends, I am Ajay Agarwal, partner at RK Sales Corporation, the sole distributors for Jalbagh Fittings in Karnataka. And along with me is Mr. B.S. Anand, the founder and director of Jal. And in this video, we are going to hear the story about Jal. Welcome, please.
Thank you.
Yes. So could you please give us a brief introduction about Jal?
Okay. Jal, the full company name is Jupiter Aqualines, and this brand name has been driven from the company name Jupiter Aqualine Jal. Otherwise, Jal means water. In many languages, it is already pronounced as Jal only. The sign of purity also.
Super.
So in 89, a few people joined hand and formed this company. And if I will have to tell about background also, I started my career in 78, and since 78 till 89, we have been producing taps, but for some other manufacturer. And in 89, we started our own company to market the products.
Yeah. I was 1 year old when you started in 79.
Yeah.
Yes.
So your father, whom we are missing every time, so he was our partner from the very beginning in this venture. He did a lot of hard work to upbring this brand in the Karnataka market. Really, he did a good job. So in 1889, since 89, there are so many changes now till it is 2021. So many things have happened. At that time, communication was not so good. But people were not so anxiety that they want so fast the things. But now the times have changed. In 89, when we started this brand, there was not much publicity, not much advertising expenses. We were also product folks. From the very beginning, we tried to give a quality product in the market. It was our wish from the very beginning that our customers, they get value for the money what they spend. So from the very beginning, we started with the quality products. At that time, very few competitors were there. But later on, say after around 2000, so much competition was there in the market. But we welcome the things. And from the very beginning, we kept this that we should do as a manufacturer, Indian manufacturer, and we should fulfill the requirements of Indian market. Later on, many MNCs have also come up. There are a few MNCs who were not even successful in the Indian market. They have gone back. Our requirements in Indian market, even in the India, within different zones, the requirements are different. In North India, there are a few products which are not being used in the South India. And these are elegant things. Aesthetics have a lot of meaning. So that choice also varies from zone to zone. So we are trying to give the products on pan-India basis, and we are giving that. So company started with a very humble beginning, and now we are proud of this thing. Okay, we have earned a good name in the market in this total span, and we should be as ethical as possible. Even we sacrificed our turnover sales when there was demand that builders were not taking bills for the goods. So we never sold the material without bill from the but we sacrificed the sale. In North India, it was very popular that people acquired the things without bill and all those practices, but we never did that. But in the long run, it has paid us.
Definitely. It is really nice to know that we always had that Make in India concept right from 1989.
Yeah.
Though our Prime Minister just announced it recently, But it's glad to know that we had that initiative in mind
Since
long
beginning.
back. Yes, since beginning.
Since beginning.
Yes. So, how did you go about building Jal products?
At present, we have a good team in JAL for R&D, designing, and we have got all those facilities also, which a good unit can have. Even the large-scale industry, which are long established, they may not be having such facilities which we have created. Like we have a very good 3D scanners, 3D printers, and then the equipment to test those products. We have a good lab. Those facilities are with us. And recently we have added good machines to produce the products, like gravity die casting machines, we have gone to automation instead. Though it's a labor-intensive industry, bathroom fittings, the process is lengthy. There are many processes for manufacturing, starting from the core making, then casting, then machining, then grinding, polishing, and then electroplating, and then it goes to assembly. And there's a lot of variety also in the products. We have around 30 different ranges design-wise, which we cater in the CP bathroom fittings. And I'm happy to say that we project ourselves as an Indian company, and when we have given names of all Indian rivers to all these product ranges, like Kaveri, Mandvi, Jhelum, Chenab, all these names are after Indian rivers.
Oh, awesome. I mean, I think that's the best way to associate faucets with the rivers of India. What more can be so appropriate?
Yeah.
Really very nice.
We are happy for that. And recently, not recently, we can say 3-4 years back, we added other verticals also, like sanitary wares we have. And after sanitary wares, last year we added water geysers. So with the change of time, requirements are changing. People now ask for that they need all the bathroom solutions with a single brand. And we have tried our best to give that. Now we are giving wellness products. Even in the plumbers, the tape he is using, we are giving with our products in the product range. So such is the scenario with the product variety and infrastructure. I can tell you more about that. We have advanced casting facility at low pressure die casting machine. That machine has been imported from Italy. And very few manufacturers have such kind of facilities, I told you earlier. So same way, testing equipment for metal analyzing, that again we are using spectrometer from Italy. Then again about other production facilities. For die making, we are using 5-axis vertical machining center, which very few manufacturers have this. Then the other normal things are there, 3-axis VMCs, then CNC turns, turno mills, all those for precision components to be used inside. Otherwise, you see that all the chrome plated fittings look like same. The chrome finish is same, but the quality, it gives the long life. We give warranty for 10 years for our products. So even after 10 years, that chrome plating is as good as in the first year if you maintain it properly. But if you go for a Delhi brand or some lower brand, they will put just 2 microns, 3 microns nickel chrome thickness. But our every lot is tested. Many other quality tests are performed. We give more than 12 microns of nickel and then chrome on it, which gives a long life. So there are many other quality tests also through which the products go to the ultimate market. So that's why we are very confident on our quality also. Okay, when we give a 10-year warranty, we are sure that our products will perform better and customer will get value for that money which he has spent.
So, I mean, in the coastal areas and in areas where the water is very hard, so there also this product lasts, the chromium and all this?
Yeah, chrome is no problem, but our basic raw material is brass. Over the time, we experienced many things, and we found the solution for their inside components. Even in the brass, they won't work. Then we replace those components with the other materials which are more suitable.
I think brass is a brittle metal, na? It's easy to.
No, it's not so brittle, but otherwise we can't use more raw materials. From the water has flow through this brass,
Okay.
and you need hygienic for that.
Yes.
Some China products and other manufacturers, they are using zinc-based products.
Okay.
And they are also selling in the market, not much in Indian market, but all those products are not hygienic.
Hygienic. I think it's
But-
poisonous and harmful for the health.
Yes, it is harmful. If you have more lead in the composition of the material, then again it's more harmful. Even with the zinc and other, even aluminium, it has reaction with the some components in the water. It has some reaction, so it can cause health problems.
Okay.
First, the water quality is also a problem in most part of the India. You
Yes,
don't
absolutely.
get a good quality of water.
Yes.
Supply is also problem. Water supply is a shortage, but water quality, yes. As you said, in coastal areas, they have different kind of problems than the other areas. So we have many products which are very successful there in coastal areas when we see the competition. So even I have heard in the market sometimes our competitors, they say that these products in coastal area you take from JAL, the rest we can supply.
Oh,
They are also confident about my product
yes.
that this product from JAL will work more.
So it's very nice to see that the competitors are actually selling gel products.
Yes, sometimes they say, as they are also giving warranty for the product, and they know that they will not be able to fulfill that warranty for a long time. So it will be losing propositions. So they say this product they can't give. And it's better you go for the gel.
So it's nice to see that they have so much of confidence on gel. That's
Yeah,
really
that's
nice.
why.
So for the first time before manufacturing, how did you start on identifying the product or designing the product?
Yeah, it is interesting to know about this. Previously, there were no such technologies available to design the products, but with the time, now technologies have been upgraded. We can see most of the things on the computer itself. First, what our customers need, that we identify. Then we do some value addition on that. What else we can do for the customer? What are his requirements? पहले होता था कि गर्म और ठंडे पानी के मिक्सर बनने हैं, 2 knobs लगती हैं. Now, most of the mixers, it is a single lever product. Now we are giving more value additions in that single lever also, how it can perform better than that. तो सबसे पहले तो यही है कि requirements identify करते हैं. We may get requirement from the market, maybe from inside marketing team or in-house R&D team. They think of those things. और उसके बाद उसकी we have softwares, use 2D, 3D dimensions to make a design. एक बार कंप्यूटर पे काफ़ी कुछ आपको क्लैरिटी मिल जाती है कि क्या प्रोडक्ट बनने वाला है. आफ्टर दैट वी गो फॉर 3D प्रिंटिंग. अर्लियर इट वाज ए लॉन्ग प्रोसेस कि आप पहले लक्कड़ के पैटर्न बना रहे हो, देन उसकी शेप सही नहीं आई, ठीक करना उसको बाद. नाउ यू कैन डू इट ईजिली ऑन द कंप्यूटर्स. दैट वाज ए लेंथी प्रोसेस. तो अभी आप कंप्यूटर पे डिज़ाइनिंग कर लेते हो प्रोडक्ट की, उसके बाद देन वी कैन सी द एक्चुअल शेप विद द 3D प्रिंटिंग. What we have been doing in months, now it is in hours we can do that. 3D printing के बाद then we can test those products also online.
Okay.
के test perform करने हैं. We can have reviews from our marketing team, other major distributors, dealers, कि how it looks like. So then we go for the die making, mold making.
Okay.
That process is also now very fast.
Very fast.
As I told you, we have 5 axis vertical machining centers, 3D vertical machining centers, and in one go we can go for machining, making of a die. Earlier it was a very lengthy process and not so accurate, but now we can go in from accuracy point of view. In microns we can get that accuracy. So first that molds are prepared, then we go for a pilot lot testing. We have a total process in writing, so it will go through different departments before the product goes to the market.
Okay.
Every department will give their comments, they will criticize the products, and then whatever the changes are required, those are done in between. And ultimately, testing takes a lot of time.
Okay.
We have to do so many tests on the new products. So it can be the pressure, there should not be any leakage, then now the surface coatings are good. So now the new surface coatings are coming up, we are going to explore those also. And again, then big challenge is the raw material cost.
Okay.
It is increasing every time. So we have to find out that how we can be competitive. We may need changes in the process also, manufacturing process. Previously we have been using oil-fired furnaces. Then now we have shifted to induction furnaces. So those processes, then we have now more SPMs, special purpose machines, to get more production and to get the cost also, to keep that low. So काफ़ी कुछ है जी जो टोटल प्रोसेस में देखना पड़ता है इसमें.
Okay.
और अल्टीमेटली जब मार्केट को जाना है, फिर वो सब कुछ देख के क्वालिटी टेस्ट पास कर रहा है, सभी कमेंट्स जो हैं ओके हैं, देन वी गिव इट टू द मार्केट.
Was there any particular product which took a very long time in the initial designing stage to the launching in the market? Was there any product that you recall?
There are some products. Say when we do some changes, even in the running products, we want to make some changes to make it more economical or something like that. उसमें एक मटेरियल टेस्ट किया, वो फेल हो गया, तो आपने उस पर 1-1.5 महीना लगा के सारी प्रोसेस की, then ultimately it fails. We can't give it to the market. Then again you have to go through all that process. तो आ जाते हैं कभी कभी ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स भी हैं. कई बार बहुत देखने में लग रहे हैं कि छोटे प्रोडक्ट हैं उसकी, लेकिन व्हेन वी सी फ्रॉम कस्टमर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू कि चाहे वो प्रोडक्ट 200 रुपये का है, 300 रुपये का है या 30,000 का है, वी हैव सेम इम्पोर्टेंस फॉर दैट. अगर आप एक प्रोडक्ट 30,000 का बेच रहे हो और उसने कस्टमर ने आपका 300 वाला प्रोडक्ट भी लिया है, तो 30,000 वाला प्रोडक्ट तो परफॉर्मेंस ठीक दे रहा है, पर 300 वाले में प्रॉब्लम आ गई तो ही विल से नो, द टोटल प्रोडक्ट इज बैड. सो वी टेक केयर ऑफ दोज थिंग कि ये 300 वाला भी प्रोडक्ट जो है, क्योंकि उसकी वैल्यू बड़ी कम है, छोटा प्रोडक्ट है कोई, इट शुड बी एज गुड एज द बिगर वंस.
मुझे याद आ रहा है कि मैं बचपन से हमेशा देखता था कि कैटलॉग्स में ये लिखा होता था कि एक्वा डायनामिक्स, और आपका टैगलाइन पहले होता था जल द साइंस बिहाइंड आर्ट. तो उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
साइंस बिहाइंड आर्ट एंड एक्वा डायनामिक्स, इट्स ऑलमोस्ट द सिमिलर काइंड ऑफ थिंग. कि आप इस प्रोडक्ट में जो बाथरूम फिटिंग्स हम बनाते हैं, इसमें एलिगेंस इट प्लेज ए गुड रोल. एस्थेटिक्स कैसे हैं प्रोडक्ट के, दैट इज़ द आर्ट. और इसकी परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए, देन यू नीड साइंस बिहाइंड दैट. सो एक्वा डायनामिक्स आल्सो इट रिलेटेड टू ए सॉर्ट ऑफ साइंस रिलेटेड टू फ्लो ऑफ वाटर. अगर आपने प्रोडक्ट ऐसा डिज़ाइन किया है कि अपने पीछे से आपके पास पानी का फ्लो है, प्रेशर है, बट टैप में आपके पानी सही नहीं आ रहा, दैट्स सॉर्ट ऑफ साइंस, इट इज़ एक्वा डायनामिक्स.
ओके.
कि आप उसको प्रॉपर फ्लो दे रहे हो पानी का, जितना विच इज़ मिनिमम रिक्वायर्ड, और अदरवाइज इट शुड बी वाटर सेविंग प्रोडक्ट आल्सो एट द सेम टाइम.
यस, एब्सोल्युटली.
तो ये सारी चीज़ें देखते हुए साइंस बिहाइंड आर्ट को पहले यूज़ कर रहे थे हम, कि हम जो इंटरनल कंपोनेंट्स हैं उसके वो इस हिसाब से डिज़ाइन होने चाहिए कि परफॉर्मेंस जो है इट शुड बी गुड, और आउटलुक जो है, एस्थेटिक्स जो है, दो शुड बी अट्रैक्टिव. दैट इज़ आर्ट. That was the science behind art, and aqua dynamics almost the similar kind of things. कि उसके फ्लो रेट्स, प्रेशर टेस्टिंग, अदर टेक्निकल पार्ट्स, दो शुड बी गुड।
तो पहले हमारा स्पिंडल जो भी होते थे वो फुल टर्न होते थे, और आई थिंक उसके बाद फिर हाफ टर्न आया, फिर क्वार्टर टर्न आया, तो इसके बारे में कुछ?
अगेन चेंज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजीज, उस टाइम ये चीज़ें अवेलेबल नहीं थी। ओवर द पीरियड नाउ एवरीबॉडी वांट कन्वीनियंस। आप उसको 2-3 टर्न दो और एक जस्ट 90 डिग्री के एंगल पे फुल फ्लो उसका आ जाए, इट्स वेरी इजी टू ऑपरेट। सेम काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स विद द सिंगल लीवर टैप्स। आपको 2 अलग अलग नॉब से गर्म और ठंडा मिक्स करना पड़े तो आप सेटिंग में ही लगे रहते हो। और नाउ इट्स सिंगल लीवर मिक्सिंग, सो इंटरनल जो कार्टेज है वो गर्म ठंडा पानी मिक्स करना, इट इज़ वेरी इजी ऑन दोज थिंग्स। सो विद द चेंज ऑफ टाइम, विद द चेंज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजीज, ये चीज़ें अभी अवेलेबल हैं। सो वी हैव चेंज फ्रॉम फुल टर्न to almost quarter turn.
So quarter.
No, full turn only it is for the ISI mark products.
Okay.
They have not changed that from full turn to quarter turn. They are also in the process. पर बाकी जो almost 99% market है, that is for quarter turn fittings. And all this now more trend is for single lever mixers. Yeah.
तो इसमें कुछ स्टैंडर्ड होता है जो ऑल ओवर इंडिया के जितने भी अलग अलग मैन्युफैक्चरर्स हैं कि एक पर्टिकुलर एक जैसे स्टैंडर्ड 15 mm या कुछ ऐसा कुछ है इसमें, मतलब?
जो इंटरनल कार्ट्रिज है उसमें स्टैंडर्ड नहीं है। उसमें पीपल ट्राई टू सेव द मटेरियल आल्सो। बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो क्वार्टर टन स्पिंडल में हाफ इंच स्पिंडल वी कॉल इट, वो ही दे रहे हैं, बट उसमें उतनी स्ट्रेंथ नहीं आती है ओवर द पीरियड, लाइफ स्पैन उतना नहीं है। इनिशियली हम लोग भी वही यूज़ कर रहे थे पहले, हाफ इंच वाला जो स्पिंडल है, but after a few months only we changed to 22 mm size. Actually half inch is 20.5 mm and we are using 22 mm. It gives more strength, more life to the product. So whatever marketing is using, we are not using that. Only in very economical products, when people ask for, we give that half inch spindle.
So for the benefit of our viewers, a spindle is like the heart of the tap.
Yes.
Like how heart is most important organ in the human body.
Yeah.
So same way a spindle is the most important part in a tap.
Yeah.
Yes. So now why don't you tell us about your first customer? How did you get your first customer? Who was he? And where was he
from? Are you talking about from the beginning, 89?
Yes, the first customer of Jal.
Yeah. And still he is our customer.
Oh, that's glad.
After so many years.
Okay.
So we started marketing in southern India. Mr. R.K. Agarwal. He was our first person who was presenting us in the market. The day we started the company, he went straightway to Balaji.
Tirupati.
Tirupati.
Okay. Oh, okay.
And
lovely.
after getting blessing from there, then he started marketing, and first customer was Ecambrum and Company.
Ecambrum, okay.
Ecambrum Sentry Stores.
Sentry Stores. So he is a dealer in Bangalore.
He is dealer in Bangalore.
Okay.
So Mr. Agarwal booked first order from him, and very reputed, I say, counter in Bangalore.
Yes. I think
from the very beginning, we are getting a very good feedback from him.
Okay.
For the improvements in the products and all those things. I don't know whether he's a technical person or not, but he gives a very good feedback about the product.
I mean, for the benefit of our viewers, Ecambrum Santry Stores is now over a century old, and there are very few shops in India which are almost than a century. I mean, 100 years is amazing.
Yeah, it's
definitely okay.
Long period.
Yes. So why don't you talk about the first range that Jal made? If I'm not wrong, the name was Dynasty. Dynasty first.
Dynasty, but that name was later on changed from Dynasty when we went to that. We projected ourselves as a Indian company when the MNCs were coming here. So from then we started giving names of all the rivers.
Yes, I think it was renamed to Kaveri.
It was.
And incidentally, Kaveri is the lifeline of Karnataka.
Karnataka, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. From Dynasty we shifted, we renamed it as, and still that range is in demand.
In demand. Yeah. In fact, we meet a lot of customers who say that they have purchased this product right from 1989
Yeah.
and till today, after 32 years, they have not even faced a single problem till now.
Problem, yes.
In 22 years, this is absolutely amazing.
Now we are proud of these things. This is all teamwork, hard working of team that has given such results. अभी भी हम बहुत सारी एग्जीबिशन में जब जाते हैं लोग कमेंट्स लिख के देके जाते हैं कि आई एम यूजिंग जल सिंस 1990 एंड आई हैव नो प्रॉब्लम दिस प्रोडक्ट्स. So it is happening over there. That's why we are in the market after. Otherwise ये market तो आजकल ऐसे है कि आप even I would not like to give the name of those products. Those are MNC products, but they have vast way within a 2-3 years span from the Indian market. They had to withdraw. So Indian conditions are different. We need products as per customer requirement, as per Indian conditions. It may be changing from North India to South India, or East Zone to West Zone. The requirements are different.
Different, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. Every market is dynamic. So
Yeah.
what may move here may not move in the other parts of India or maybe neighboring places. Definitely.
Some designs even are not, which are liked in South India, those are not liked in North India.
North India.
Which are liked in North India, people don't like those designs in South India.
Absolutely,
It is-
absolutely.
yeah.
See, I think like how idli dosa is the most best breakfast. Actually, it is the most healthiest. But
Yeah.
in North India, you have paranthas and all
Paranthas,
this. Yes, no, that's all. That will always be there.
Yeah.
Yes. So in fact, that way we are proud to say that we have unity in diversity.
Yes, we
Yes, that's really nice.
it is there in the India.
तो सर ऐसा कोई प्रोडक्ट या कुछ चीज़ जो अलग अलग मतलब इंडिया में अलग कोई जगह पे जैसे नॉर्थ इंडिया में अलग चलता हो या साउथ इंडिया में चलता हो अलग ऐसा कुछ प्रोडक्ट उसके बारे में बता पाएंगे प्लीज.
ऐसी कई चीज़ें हैं. एक तो है आपको मैंने बताया कि वाटर क्वालिटी डिफरेंस है उसकी वजह से जैसे आपको बताया कोस्टल एरिया में डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट चाहिए और उधर चाहिए. सेम वे वर्किंग में नॉर्थ इंडिया पीपल यूज़ कोल्ड वाटर ऑफ 2 टाइप्स. वन इज़ दे हैव अवेलेबल विद द ओवरहेड टैंक कोल्ड वाटर और एक वो जो पानी फ्रेश वाटर भी यूज़ करते हैं. इट कैन बी बोरवेल वाटर और इट कैन बी कनाल वाटर कोल्ड वाटर और हॉट वाटर इट विल कम थ्रू गीज़र ओनली. So not, but in southern states, they use cold water only from overhead tanks.
Yes.
Mostly.
Yes.
As fresh water is in the most of the states is not available.
Yes.
So वहाँ प्रोडक्ट डिफ्रेंसिएशन भी आ जाती है कि ये डाइवर्टर्स ही हैं जैसे सिंगल लिवर है हॉट और कोल्ड मिक्सिंग के हैं. साउथ इंडिया में 2 ही पानी वाले इनलेट वाले चलेंगे विद हॉट इनपुट एंड कोल्ड वाटर इनपुट. नॉर्थ इंडिया में 3 वाले होते हैं कि वन फ्रेश इज फ्रॉम फ्रेश वाटर द अदर वन इज कोल्ड वाटर फ्रॉम टैंक और तीसरा जो हॉट वाटर है.
अच्छा.
सो ये डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स आर बीइंग यूज्ड. पर वो वाले 3 इनलेट वाले यहाँ कोई फ़ायदा ही नहीं है कोई लगाता ही नहीं है और नॉर्थ में वो चलते हैं. एंड कीपिंग इन व्यू दिस रिक्वायरमेंट वी बिल्ड ए स्पेशल प्रोडक्ट फॉर नॉर्थ इंडिया दैट इज चेंज ओवर टैप.
ओके.
अभी जो आप डाइवर्टर लगाते हैं वो सिर्फ बेदिंग के काम आता है. इवन वॉश बेसिन के ऊपर वो प्रोडक्ट अवेलेबल नहीं है तीनों पानी में जो है वो 2 ही पानी मिलते हैं वहाँ पे.
जी.
देन वी डेवलप दिस प्रोडक्ट चेंज ओवर टैप. नो अदर कंपनी हैज़ दैट प्रोडक्ट.
ओके.
Even the reputed brands in India, they don't make that kind of product. We developed with our research only. उसमें क्या है कि 2 आपको पानी मिल रहे हैं ठंडे वाले कोल्ड वाटर फ्रॉम टैंक वाटर एंड कोल्ड वाटर फ्रेश वाटर. आप उसमें से एट ए टाइम आपने एक ही यूज़ करना है.
यस.
तो एनी यू कैन स्विच ओवर टू एनी वन.
ओके.
आपकी आउटलेट एक होगी कि आप चाहे फ्रेश वाला पानी ले लो. अगर नहीं आ रहा फ्रेश वाला देन यू कैन यूज़ द ओवरहेड वाटर. पर हमने ये भी नहीं सोचा था कि कस्टमर आगे इसको कैसे यूज़ करते हैं. साउथ इंडिया नो पीपल आर यूजिंग द सेम प्रोडक्ट फॉर हॉट वाटर.
Yes.
दे हैव सोलर वाटर आल्सो सोलर हीटिंग सिस्टम
Yes. And geyser also.
देन वाटर गीजर्स आल्सो देयर. तो वहाँ पे ये इसी प्रोडक्ट को दूसरे से अडेप्ट कर लिया.
ओके.
सो दीज थिंग्स वी लर्न फ्रॉम द मार्केट कि हमने प्रोडक्ट बनाया था ठंडे पानी वाला तो लोग इसको ऐसे भी यूज़ कर
ऐसे भी यूज कर रहे हैं.
हाँ.
ये
So we came to
definitely-
know about from the market when they required that they need different kind of labeling
Labeling.
on that product.
Yes.
Okay, instead of cold water, you mentioned here solar heater water and geyser water.
Yes.
So that we are supplying.
The customers are also so smart, so nice कि they use a particular product in a different way in which we
Yeah.
have never imagined.
Yes.
They do that. They do that. Yes.
We have to
Correct.
learn things from customer also.
Definitely, and we have to keep improving, seeing the customer's
Yes.
requirement. Yes.
Small modification was required, that we did.
That way.
Okay, they required the marking as solar heater water and then the geyser water.
Gives you water.
That we are doing, and we are supplying in the South India also.
Okay. Nice. Now, what are biggest threats as a business owner?
Yes, threats are always there in the business. First is the technologies are changing day by day. We have to keep ourselves updated. चाहे आपकी वो प्रोसेस है, इन प्रोसेस जो टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ हो रही है वो आप अपडेट करते हो कि नहीं करते हो. सेकेंड, मार्केट रिक्वायरमेंट्स आर आल्सो चेंजिंग. नाउ इट्स ए ग्लोबल विलेज. किसी भी कंट्री से आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट लेके यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो किसी ने क्या वहाँ कोई अच्छा डेवलप किया, दैट इज़ नाउ अवेलेबल ऑन द क्लिक ऑफ द माउस. यू कैन फाइंड दैट कि यहाँ पे ये चीज़ अवेलेबल है. सो वी हैव टू कीप अवर सेल्फ अपडेटेड, starting from the market requirements, designs of the products, then technologies to produce those products. Those are also equally important. Like in our stainless steel sinks, we are giving now lifetime warranty,
Okay.
which was never earlier. कि आप किसी प्रोडक्ट को आप कह रहे हो कि ये लाइफ टाइम के लिए आपका ये क्रैक फ्री है, कि आप कभी ख़राब ही नहीं होने वाली चीज़. Tomorrow it may happen, some company gives lifetime warranty for other taps also. Then we have to find out the solution for that also. आप जैसे मेरे से पुरानी हिस्ट्री पूछ रहे थे, in 89 even up to 95, 96, we have been getting the orders through hard copies.
Yes.
And then we were dispatching them. अगर वो एक ऑर्डर जो है 30 दिन में भी डिस्पैच हो गया within a month, so we were happy that we have achieved the target.
Yes.
And now people ask her, is this in stock? Send me through courier today only.
Today only. Yes.
And
So-
we have to provide that kind of service.
Absolutely.
और यही कुछ देखते हुए now we have a good market in southern states and other states. Now we started our own warehouses. For Karnataka market we have started in Hubli, then in Gujarat we have started Morbi. In Andhra also we have started one in Anantapur. So that way we have to think of that customer don't have time now.
They don't wait for the product. Yes.
Otherwise पहले आपका चलता था कि ठीक है जी प्रोडक्ट लग गया, then they fix up the date of home ceremony, home warming.
Yes.
अब ये होता है कि आपकी डेट फिक्स है और आपकी तैयारी उस हिसाब से होनी है, टारगेट डेट है कि आपने सारा कुछ चाहिए. दे इवन डोंट माइंड फॉर दैट कि कोरियर से आपको 2% खर्चा फालतू भी पड़ता है. दे विल से सेंड इट थ्रू अ कोरियर एंड आई नीड इट इन टाइम.
Okay.
सो आपको उसी हिसाब से सप्लाईज देनी पड़ती हैं, अपडेशन. इट्स अ बिग चैलेंज नाउ, अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ द मटेरियल. देन आई टोल्ड यू द प्रोसेसेस वी हैव टू अपडेट इट, अदर थिंग्स. अल्टीमेट गोल इज कस्टमर इज द किंग
Yes.
and he should be happy.
He should be happy. Absolutely. We are there for the
It is-
customers.
Yeah, we are there for the customer, and he has all the rights
Right.
that he can govern. Yeah.
Definitely. Now, is there any product which you made but you didn't expect that you will receive such a sale? Is there any product like this which comes to your mind? Ki you thought ki you just made the product but you did not expect ki, see, different products have, I mean, all the products don't sell equally in numbers.
Yes, yes.
So, any particular product that you can think of?
From time to time, we have seen many products like that.
Okay.
We developed in early stage that flush cocks.
Okay.
उसमें वो वाटर सेविंग भी है, वो भी है कि इसमें आप पानी बचा रहे हो जहाँ पे
Yes.
पानी की शॉर्टेज है.
Yes.
और फ्लशिंग भी आपकी प्रॉपर होनी चाहिए.
Yes.
तो एक प्रोडक्ट बनाया है हमने और वी गेट ओवरवेल्ड विलिंग रिस्पॉन्स फॉर दैट.
And
बहुत
if-
अच्छा बिक रहा
And
था.
if I'm not wrong, I think your flush cock, which was the most selling, was J306.
Yes, J306.
Okay.
And still it is doing very well.
It is doing very well.
Even railways, they have used this product.
Okay.
And now we developed that during COVID times, foot operated valve.
Okay.
We had earlier also foot operated valves, but those were heavy models.
Heavy model.
And during this time we predicted that ये market से requirement आएगी कि लोग hygienic product चाहते हैं, and then we did one more validation that कि it should be water saving product also.
Okay.
Hygienic है, आपने हाथ नहीं लगाना है
Yes.
टैप को.
बिल्कुल.
तो जैसे साउथ इंडिया में वो फुट ऑपरेटेड वाल कई जगह पे कॉमन प्लेसेस में यूज़ कर रहे थे,
Yes.
लाइक रेस्टोरेंट्स वगैरह में. साउथ इंडियन जो है हाथ से खाना खाते हैं,
खाते हैं.
दे वुड नॉट लाइक टू टच द टैप विद
Tap,
दैट
yes.
हैंड.
Yes.
तो फुट ऑपरेटेड वाल है.
Yes.
पर अभी बहुत सारे स्टेट में जी आफ्टर कोविड के जो कॉमन प्लेसेस भी हैं वहाँ भी ये फुट ऑपरेटेड वाल्स. लास्ट हमने वी हैव सेंट अ गुड क्वांटिटी टू द एपी गवर्नमेंट
Okay.
for that. They have put all these foot operated valves in their schools
Schools.
for kids.
Okay.
तो उसके लिए भी चाहिए था कि जो easily kid भी कोई ऑपरेट कर सके, छोटा बच्चा भी है वो भी इसको easily पैर से ऑपरेट कर सके और he can drink the water. So now railways has also approved that product. They want COVID free coaches. So there they had put over these foot operated valves. Almost trial is completed. We may expect a lot of orders for that also.
I remember using the foot operated valve in MTR hotel. MTR is like the best hotel in Bangalore for South Indian food, idlis and dosas. There's a huge queue and lot of people use this over there, and lot of many other hotels are using this. And I think if I'm not wrong, Narayan Hridayalaya also was used,
Yes,
they had
yes,
used this
yes.
completely.
Doctors are using those.
They are using this
foot-operated
product.
valves, yeah.
Yes.
So it's a very successful. Even in commercial use, there's eating places you say. I don't remember the name now.
Kitchens.
Burger King and
Yes, in KFC and all this they use the
KFC,
product. Yes. Yes.
they have standardized this usage of this product in all
Yes.
their kitchens now.
Yes.
So that is a commercial model we have given to them.
Yes.
It's working very well. Everywhere they are using it.
I remember that I received a call from Dodbalapur. He's basically into essences and all these, and he said that within 2 days a delegate from abroad is coming, and that's a very big order for him. And he's telling, if I don't put this foot operated valve, they will reject me. So kindly give it to me immediately. I still remember this. In the food sector also, it's mandatory that people should not touch the taps and all this. They should do something like a foot operated valve.
Yes.
That's
The other product is also available. That is a sensor tap.
sensor tap.
There also you don't need to touch the product.
Okay.
But cost of that product is very high.
Okay.
And secondly, as we say, the water quality is the problem.
Okay.
So maintenance of that product is very costly.
Costly. Okay.
Yes, but it's a totally mechanical process, foot operated valve.
Okay.
So many MNCs they have used this product in all of their offices. Say any MNC, as I will not reveal the name of that MNC. They have about 10 offices in India,
Okay.
and in all of their offices they have used this product, foot operated valve in their offices
Okay.
for office staff.
Okay.
And then in ships it is being used.
Okay.
Then in many food processing industries, they need to work with both the hands.
With both the
And their hands are not free.
Okay.
They will use this. Then again, as I told you, it's a water saving product.
Water saving
also.
product.
Yeah. As I told you, many MNCs they are using this foot operated valves. There's one company, Capgemini, and they have purchased lot of material from us. They have about 10 offices in India.
Okay.
And in all their offices at different locations, they have used this foot operated valve.
Yes. I am also proud to say that during this pandemic, builders like Divyashree Developers, for their complete offices in Bangalore and Hyderabad in the SEZ parks, they have always been a regular customer, and especially in this pandemic they have used this product. And in fact we have supplied this material to Capital Land. They are the facility managers for ITPL, Bangalore, Chennai, Pune. So there also they have completely used this product. And there are many more restaurants in Bangalore, in Karnataka, where everybody, during the pandemic, everybody started using these products even more. We did not have to advertise for this. Though I think we have started manufacturing this product 20 years back, initial product.
Yes,
so people were not aware of this. Yes.
Yes,
So
at
this is
that
the-
time.
Yes.
Now tell you the latest story. We submitted this product, which we developed during COVID times. This model, it is particular J319 foot operated valve,
Okay.
to NID, National Institute of Design.
Oh, that's the most premier institute in India.
Yes, for design. Yeah.
Yes.
So they have a very strict and long process to identify the products. They give mark to the I mark to the good designs.
Okay.
So I am proud to say that we have got for this 2021,
Okay.
their jury, they have approved of this product as a good design, J31, foot operated one.
Oh, amazing, amazing.
Yes, yes.
So, since we're talking about rewards and recognitions, kindly share us what the other rewards and that JAL has received.
As a particularly as an industrialist, I have got this National Quality Award from Government of India.
Amazing.
Products, yes. Then from the state of Punjab, we got this quality award, state government. And then there are many others from the different ministers. We have got all those awards as a company, as a good company, as a good product producing company. We are from the state of Punjab, Himachal, and other places.
Okay.
So this is the latest achievement. We have got this iDesign mark.
Awesome. So now we were talking about sensor tabs some time back. So sensor tabs are also made in India, or was it how if you could kindly
Before COVID, it was 100% import of those products.
okay. For all companies?
Most of the companies.
Okay.
Yeah. It was almost import. People are putting their brands on that. Even today also, they are getting from outside. But when we entered for these sensor tabs, we built our own products
Okay.
from Indian market. That sensor component we are not producing in-house, we are getting from outside, but we got it well from outside.
Okay.
So now, as per Modi ji, everything should be made in India.
Made in India.
by India.
Yes.
So we are going for that. From the very beginning, I told you, okay,
Yes.
we are after this, that product should be within India.
Oh, amazing. So now, I mean, you had mentioned that there are 30 different ranges.
Yes.
So I'm sure that some ranges would be selling more, some ranges would be selling less.
Yes.
Why don't you talk about the best selling range? I mean, and how is it priced? Or I mean, is it priced in the economical segment or mid segment or higher segment?
No, it is requirement of the customer. लेकिन वो माँ के लिए तो सभी बच्चे बराबर ही होते हैं जी.
बिल्कुल, yes.
हमने हर एक चीज़ पे एफर्ट की है, चाहे वो डिज़ाइन कैसा भी बनाया है. दैट हैज़ गॉन थ्रू ए लॉन्ग प्रोसेस. तो हम यही सोच के करते हैं. पर देन अगेन इट इज़ इन द हैंड्स ऑफ द कस्टमर्स. हमारी वर्ना रेंज है. इट इज़ ए हॉट सेलिंग रेंज.
Okay.
इट्स एन इकॉनमी रेंज और बहुत लोग उसको प्रेफर करते हैं. देयर इज़ नो कंप्रोमाइज़ ऑन द क्वालिटी फॉर दैट.
Okay.
वी आर गिविंग इन द 10 years वारंटी फॉर द सेम प्रोडक्ट. और उसके बाद अभी इकॉनमी और तेजू है, वेना है, कई ऐसी रेंजेस हैं विच वी हैव गॉट ए वेरी गुड रिस्पॉन्स. और कई बार ऐसा था, आप जैसे आपको कह रहे हैं कस्टमर की चॉइस है. द लो सेलिंग रेंजेस वी हैव स्टार्टेड दोज मार्केट फ्रॉम दोज रेंजेस ओनली. Tansa is one name. Designs are very good.
Okay.
So in a very competitive market, our person, he started with Tansa only.
Okay.
Yes. And he's successful, he's selling at that. And Nubera is the other range. It is being sold in many states very well. It is costlier, but it is being sold very well.
Yes. So now previously the trend was it was only chromium finish.
Yes.
Then in between the trend came ki where a lot of colors were there.
Yeah.
And then CP with gold. Then after it faded out, then became chrome. Now again colors are coming in.
Yeah.
Kindly share some thoughts.
It was a time. At that time we put a specially plant for powder coating.
Okay.
There was a time when we were giving 81 shades in
81 shades.
81 shades in taps.
Okay.
It was all customized. Whatever color you require with matching to your bathroom tiles and other things, we'll give that.
Okay.
And there were different coatings also. So
Okay.
we haven't. No, you don't even people don't remember about that there is something like that. It's a powder coating.
When was
81
this?
shades.
Approximate time of which year was this? 81 shades?
10 years back.
Okay.
More than 10 years back.
Okay,
It
okay.
was there. Now this chrome surface finish, it is everlasting.
Everlasting, yes.
Since the beginning and again now going on. And in centimeters, white color, it is evergreen.
Evergreen, yes.
Yeah. Sometimes there were many colors in that also, but mostly 95% is white and then 5% is ivory.
Ivory. So are there any plans now of again switching over to color?
Yes, there are some few coatings which are coming back. we are in the testing stage of that, and surely we'll give new colors also. Those are very limited, but again very good finishes and long lasting.
And long.
Yeah, long lasting. That we call it PVD coatings.
Okay, PVD coatings, yes.
Yes, it is not so popular on bathroom fittings till date, but it will be a premium product.
Okay.
PVD coatings.
ठीक है. Now, if you see that कि everybody has a mentor or somebody whom we look up to, or we take inspiration from. So, in your industry, is there any person that you look up to? कि yes, something you consider him as a mentor or as a guru, or you learn from him directly or indirectly?
It is not a time like that. An entrepreneur, he should be technically well versed.
Well.
Financial management should be very good. Then you need marketing skills. In entrepreneurs, you can have you should have rather so many qualities.
Yes. तो हर किसी का कोई ना कोई मेंटर, गुरु या कोई ब्रांड होता है जिससे हम प्रेरणा लेते हैं. तो क्या आपका भी कोई है ऐसे? तो प्लीज शेयर कीजिए.
एक एंटरप्रेन्योर के लिए ना जी बहुत सारी क्वालिटीज चाहिए. आप सिर्फ ये नहीं कि मैं टेक्निकली क्वालिफाइड हूँ तो मैं टेक्निकल पार्ट ही देखता. आपको टेक्निकली भी साउंड होना पड़ेगा, आपका फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट भी बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. देन आपकी मार्केटिंग स्किल्स बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए. आप अपने आप को कैसे प्रेजेंट कर रहे हो, वो चीज़ें बहुत मैटर करती हैं. इसमें ये नहीं है कि एक सिंगल मेंटर है वो करे. वी कीप फ्यू कंपनीज एज ए बेंचमार्क.
Okay.
We have a joint venture with an Italian company. It's called FEMA. So we have a joint venture with them. उसके साथ जब हमने ज्वाइन किया तो बहुत सारी ड्यू डिलिजेंस हुई उसके साथ. उन्होंने हमें चेक किया. देन वी वेंट टू इटली टू चेक देयर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड अदर थिंग्स. अभी 4-5 साल हो गए. वी आर डूइंग वेल. वो एक ब्रांड है जो 5 स्टार और 7 स्टार प्रॉपर्टीज़ को ही हम कैटर कर रहे हैं उसमें. So they have very good quality and designs. For that we keep as a benchmark that it should be as good as that.
तो कोई पर्टिकुलर क्वालिटी जो आपको उनके देख के जब आपने विजिट किया उनको कि देख के आपको लगा कि ये मेरे पास भी होना चाहिए या हम इधर लैग कर रहे हैं?
Yes. आपको जैसे बताया कि now we have a good infrastructure, we have in-house R&D, we have good 3D printers, 3D scanners और काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं जो अभी क्वालिटी पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से ठीक है. तो जब हमने उनको मोटिवेट किया, यूरोप दे आर नोन फॉर डिज़ाइंस इन इटली, एंड देन अगेन फॉर क्वालिटी आल्सो दे हैव ए सॉर्ट ऑफ क्लस्टर. कोई एक यूनिट नहीं है, 3-4-5 यूनिट लोग मिलके वो एक अपना R&D बनाते हैं. हियर आल्सो वी स्टार्टेड ए क्लस्टर विद द हेल्प ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. Government of India, they have a cluster development scheme.
Okay.
So in our area also there are about more than 100 units who are manufacturing bathroom fittings.
In Mohali?
In Mohali and around. Okay. Mohali, Chandigarh, city. So for the benefit of all those units, I set up a common facility center.
Okay.
With the help of other industry members, and then we got a good financial aid from Government of India.
Okay.
This is the first common facility center in bathroom fittings set up in the country.
Okay.
And this was the first in Punjab also under this scheme.
Under this scheme. So, Eddie, I mean, ये एक बहुत अनोखी चीज़ है कि आप सब कॉम्पिटिटर्स हैं. सारे बाथरूम मैन्युफैक्चरर, टैप मैन्युफैक्चरर सब कॉम्पिटिटर्स हैं. फिर आप सब मिलके आपने ऐसा क्लस्टर ज्वाइन किया कि सबको हेल्प होगा.
Yes.
तो इसमें कुछ आपको इसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Yeah, it's true. बहुत सारे लोग, especially in SMEs, MSMEs, they have this fear कि मेरा कंपटीटर मेरे साथ होगा, वो मेरी प्रैक्टिस देखेगा, वो कॉपी कर लेगा, कुछ कर ले. बट नो, आप जब नॉलेज शेयर करते हो तो नॉलेज आपकी और भी बढ़ती है. सो फर्स्ट द स्कीम वाज एप्लीकेबल टू क्लस्टर ओनली. आप इतनी बड़ा जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर लगा रहे हो एक मीडियम स्केल इंडस्ट्री के लिए, वो सारा कुछ खर्चा करना पॉसिबल नहीं है. सो टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज होती रहती है. दैट्स वाई गवर्नमेंट हैज़ लॉन्च दिस स्कीम. मैं कहता हूँ मैं कोई साधु नहीं हूँ कि मैं सबका परोपकार कर रहा हूँ उसके लिए। मेरा भला हो रहा है और मेरे साथ अगर 10 बंदे और भी उनका भी भला हो जाता है तो इट्स गुड। इट्स ए बिग ओशियन मार्केट जो है। आप कहाँ में, हिंदुस्तान में बहुत बड़ी मार्केट है, उसके बाद आप वर्ल्ड ओवर चाइना में तो कर रहे हैं ना,
कर रही है।
तो वी कैन डू दैट आल्सो। इवन आई थिंक सम टाइम दैट अगर कोई आपको बड़ा एक्सपोर्ट ऑर्डर मिलता है, कुछ मिलता है कि अगर आपके पास टोटल इंस्टॉल कैपेसिटी नहीं है, you can join hands with the others in this same cluster.
Yes.
People, many people they don't have work, so उनका फ़ायदा लो, आप उनसे काम कराओ, साथ करके आप बड़े ऑर्डर भी करो, मार्केट करो, प्रोक्योरमेंट करो। और ये कॉमन फैसिलिटी जो एक लार्ज स्केल यूनिट को मिलती है वो स्मॉल स्केल को भी मिल रही है और एट वेरी कंसेशनल रेट्स। सो आई एम फाउंडर ऑफ दैट क्लस्टर आल्सो। मेहनत बहुत करनी पड़ी मेरे को, कई साल लगे इसके ऊपर। I did a very hard work for that और it was ultimately it is successful now. So उसमें लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी की मशीनें हैं हमारे पास, कैपेसिटी बिल्डअप हो गई है। सो अगर आप तो ये कहते हो कंपटीटर है, मैं तो बहुत बार अपने कंपटीटर्स को आता भी है आसपास से कि ये टेक्नोलॉजी ये आप यूज़ कर रहे हो कैसे है। आई शो हिम द प्रोसेस कि हमने लगाई है। अल्टीमेटली क्या होगा कि नाउ ऑलरेडी ये जो मार्केट है मोहाली चंडीगढ़, इट इज़ नोन फॉर द क्वालिटी।
यस।
अगर आपको यहाँ पे 100 यूनिट के 150 भी हो जाएंगे तो कस्टमर अपने आप इस मार्केट में आएगा कि क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट वहाँ मिलता है। वो दूसरे जगह पे जहाँ पे क्वालिटी नहीं है वहाँ नहीं जाएगा, वो अट्रैक्ट होगा इससे। तो अब बहुत सारी मार्केट है, ये चीज़ चाइना में भी है। वो सिटीज़ ही हैं ऐसे बने हुए कि वो स्पेशलाइज है इस चीज़ के लिए। कोई फर्नीचर के लिए है, कोई इलेक्ट्रिकल आइटम्स के लिए है, कोई बाथरूम फिटिंग्स के लिए है। तो वो इसका बेनिफिट सबको मिलता है, कस्टमर को भी मिलता है और मैन्युफैक्चरर को भी मिलता है। अब जब लार्ज स्केल, अब मैन पावर ही है। अगर एक क्लस्टर पॉइंट में हमने एक ट्रेनिंग सेंटर भी बनाया है कि जहाँ पे क्वालिफाइड स्किल्ड मैन पावर प्रोड्यूस की जाए, सो इट कैन कैटर टू ऑल द यूनिट्स। अदरवाइज अगर मैं ही सोचता हूँ कि मैं अपना लगा लूँ और मैं कहाँ से लाऊंगा लोग, एवरीथिंग आई कांट डू कि मैं लोगों को पहले पढ़ाऊँ सिखाऊँ ABC और उसके बाद फिर उसको एम्प्लॉय करूँ, फिर करूँ। वी नीड सम स्किल, वी नीड। सो ये इस चीज़ में कभी सोचा ही नहीं हमने कि ये कोई कंपटीशन वाला काम है या कुछ है। सो वी नीड कि अगर मेरा कुछ काम अच्छा हो रहा है तो और 10 का भी हो जाता है तो बहुत बढ़िया। लेट देम एंजॉय।
आई थिंक आप अपनी जो मोहाली इंडस्ट्रियल एसोसिएशन है, आप उसके आई थिंक प्रेसिडेंट भी।
हाँ,
तो कुछ उसके बारे में।
मैं सबसे पहले जनरल सेक्रेटरी रहा हूँ मोहाली इंडस्ट्री एसोसिएशन का।
ओके।
देन आई वाज वाइस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ मोहाली इंडस्ट्री एसोसिएशन।
ओके।
आई हैव अ लॉन्ग एसोसिएशन विद द मोहाली इंडस्ट्री एसोसिएशन और उसमें उसके बाद प्रेसिडेंट रहा हूँ। सो ड्यूरिंग दैट आल्सो आई स्टार्टेड दिस क्लस्टर प्रोग्राम एट दैट टाइम। सो उसमें भी अभी जो क्लस्टर में बाथरूम फिटिंग्स मैन्युफैक्चर नहीं है, अदर मैन्युफैक्चरर्स आल्सो they come up and they take the advantage of that also.
Okay.
We have capacity over there कि उन लोगों का भी कुछ हो जाता है। There are many tractor parts manufacturing units, many general industry units. They come to us to avail all those facilities. कि अब 3D स्कैनर है, उसकी जॉब तो कुछ मिनट्स की है, कुछ सेकंड्स की है या एक मेटा एनालाइजर है, वो एक यूनिट में लगाए क्या करें, वो वहाँ पे 40 सेकंड का 50 सेकंड का टेस्ट है और इतना फास्ट हो जाता है उस पर। सेम वे थिकनेस कोटिंग टेस्ट है। तो हर एक को मैं कहता हूँ वो फ़ायदा भी नहीं है वो चीज़ें। ये कॉमन फैसिलिटी सेंटर में लगी है तो बहुत बेनिफिशियल है सर। एवरीबॉडी कैन टेक एडवांटेज ऑफ दैट। एंड जब आप क्लस्टर फॉर्म में करते हो तो वो कॉस्ट बहुत नीचे आ जाती है। आई टेल यू 1-2 सक्सेस स्टोरीज ऑफ दैट क्लस्टर आल्सो। वी हैव बीन डूइंग कास्टिंग ऑन oil fired furnaces.
Yes.
I went to study for the brass work in Jamnagar. There are many units who are making these brass components and they have been using this induction furnaces.
Okay.
So उसके आने के स्टडी टूर पे गए, हमने देखा कि ये लोग ये कर रहे हैं, क्यों कर रहे हैं इतने, और उनकी फर्नेस बहुत बड़ी बड़ी थी। तो वो ब्रास रॉड्स बनाते हैं, उसके बाद उसके कंपोनेंट्स बनाते हैं। आफ्टर कमिंग बैक हमने एक मेटलर्जिस्ट को हायर किया, उससे एक कंपैरेटिव स्टडी करवाई कि ऑयल फायर का क्या है. ही वर्कड आउट कि आप इंडक्शन फर्नेस जो लगाओगे इट विल टेक ओनली 13 months
Okay.
payback as a payback period.
अच्छा.
So immediately we decided to have that.
Okay.
4-5 लोगों ने लिए. एनर्जी एफिशिएंसी थी उसमें, गवर्नमेंट भी सब्सिडी दे रही थी. वी बिल्ड दैट.
Okay.
उसके बाद फिर चैलेंज था कि वी हैव मैनी वेंडर्स आल्सो इन अदर यूनिट्स. एवरीबॉडी इज नॉट एबल टू अफोर्ड दैट फर्नेस.
Okay.
इट इज कॉस्टिंग मोर देन 25 lakhs.
Okay.
I contacted IITs and other institutes कि आपको इसका सब्स्टिट्यूट बना के दो विच इज़ इकोनॉमिकल.
Okay.
वो कहीं भी वो कंप्लीट नहीं हो पाया. देन आई फाउंड ए पर्सन इन साउथ इंडिया टू मैन्युफैक्चर सच काइंड ऑफ फर्नेस.
Okay.
यू विल नॉट बिलीव कि उसने पहली कॉस्ट दी 6 लाख रुपए.
Okay.
देन आई कन्विंस्ड अदर पीपल आल्सो कि यू जॉइन हैंड्स,
Okay.
वी माई बाय मोर फर्नेसेस.
Okay.
मैंने उसको 1 से 2 किया, 3 किया, 4 किया, तो एक ट्रक में 4 फर्नेस आ रही थी.
Okay.
वो कंबाइन करके 4 फर्नेस, ही केम डाउन टू 3.25 lakhs.
Oh, lovely.
मतलब दैट इज द एडवांटेज ऑफ क्लस्टर अप्रोच.
Plus approach.
और ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कॉस्ट भी 1/4 हो गई.
1/4 हो गया.
एज ऑन डेट दे आर अबाउट ही हैज सोल्ड दैट गाय दैट ही वुड वेल्ड दैट फर्नेस 125 furnaces.
Okay. In Mohali.
In Mohali only we have around 50 furnaces
Okay. Okay.
for that.
Okay.
He is also happy.
He is also happy. Yes.
And without telling me anything, he gave me a check for the cluster of at that time good amount.
Okay.
Okay, you have done a good job. So take my contribution
Take my
also
contribution.
for the cluster.
Yes.
So इसमें किसी का कोई नुकसान तो नहीं हुआ.
नुकसान तो नहीं।
मेरा फायदा भी हुआ और लोगों का भी फायदा
लोगों का
होगा.
भी फायदा
प्रोडक्ट बनने. सेम वे हमने कोई मशीन्स ऐसी स्पेशल पर्पज मशीन बाहर देख के आए, चाइना में देख के आए. आई गॉट ए वीडियो ऑफ दैट. तो उसको डेवलप कराया लुधियाना में. अब जब वो कॉमन, हमने पहली 2 मशीनें लगाई, 2 किसी और को लगवा के दी. देन दैट डिमांड वाज सो हाई कि वो मैन्युफैक्चर कह रहा था कि मेरे पास इतनी कैपेसिटी नहीं है कि मैं आपको इतनी मशीनें बना के दे दूँ, इतनी जल्दी बना के दूँ. बट इन चाइना वी वर गेटिंग रेडीमेड मशीन्स.
Ready-made machines.
अब छोटा मैन्युफैक्चरर है वो इम्पोर्ट नहीं कर सकता.
Yes.
Then we imported about 20 machines in our company and we gave it to the other units. जिसको 2 चाहिए, 3 चाहिए, 1 चाहिए. But that kind of help we have. Now people are very happy कि उसमें लड़कियां भी काम कर रही हैं. जिस मशीन में इतनी फटीक थी कि जेंट्स भी थक जाते थे हमारी पहली मशीनों में, इसकी प्रोडक्शन 2.5 गुना है और लड़कियां भी चला रही हैं मशीन को. सो पिछले 4-5 साल से उनके रेट ही नहीं कोई बढ़े.
Okay.
ये ड्यू टू फर्नेस कास्टिंग के कोई रेट नहीं बढ़े कि उसमें इकॉनमी इतनी आ गई और ये मशीनों पे काम जो हो रहा है. अदरवाइज एवरी ईयर वी हैव टू इंक्रीज द रेट्स ऑफ लेबर आल्सो.
Yes.
बट तो ये ऐसे बेनिफिट मिल रहे हैं क्लस्टर में. एंड वी हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ माइंड. सोच भी वही है कि ठीक है इकट्ठे करके काम करो, आप इकट्ठे गुड रिजल्ट्स.
तो टैप्स में, फॉसेट्स में क्या होता है कि जनरली कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आती हैं इंस्टॉल करने के बाद, लीकेज हो गई, कुछ हो गई, तो जल आफ्टर सेल सर्विस के लिए कैसे कर रही है?
यस. नाउ अगेन टेक्नोलॉजी इट इज़ प्लेइंग इट्स पार्ट. पहले होता था कि आप फ़ोन के ऊपर ही चलो कंप्लेंट करते हैं. नाउ वी आर यूजिंग CRM सॉफ्टवेयर्स. वी हैव गिवन टोल फ्री नंबर्स. सो कोई भी कस्टमर है वो अपना टोल फ्री उसके नंबर के ऊपर अपनी कंप्लेंट रजिस्टर करवा सकता है. एंड वी हैव ए सेंट्रल सिस्टम फ्रॉम वेयर वी हैव टेक्नीशियन एट डिफरेंट प्लेसेस. एट द सेम टाइम that person who is managing the show that over there after sale service, he will assign the complaint to a technician. और टेक्नीशियन को पूरी इन्फॉर्मेशन साथ ही चली जाती है कि उसको क्या एड्रेस है, क्या बंदे का कॉन्टैक्ट है. ही विल कॉन्टैक्ट दैट पर्सन एंड टेक अपॉइंटमेंट कि आई एम कमिंग टू योर हाउस टू हैव दिस. सो पीपल आर हैप्पी फॉर दैट आल्सो कि उनको वी आर गिविंग 10 years वारंटी और उसमें उसको. एंड वी आर आल्सो प्राउड ऑफ दिस थिंग कि जल ब्रांड ऐसा है जिसकी सर्विस बहुत इकोनॉमिकल है. अदर पीपल आर आल्सो गिविंग सर्विस बट इट इज़ वेरी कॉस्टली. दे सेल मोर स्पेयर पार्ट्स देन द सर्विस एंड दे गेट आउट ऑफ द सेल ऑफ स्पेयर पार्ट्स. बट वी हैव एडवाइज्ड आवर पीपल वेयर यू कैन रेक्टिफाई दैट प्रॉब्लम, ट्राई टू रेक्टिफाई. डोंट रिप्लेस द टोटल कंपोनेंट but do whatever you can rectify that. Customer should be happy with the performance.
Absolutely. See, it is everybody's hard-earned money. I mean, even the customer is earned his money in a hard way. So definitely we should respect that. But it's really nice to know that Jal believes in this concept, कि where we can save money of the customer, we should save money. Yes.
It is helping us also to make the market. जब कस्टमर वो चीज़ देखता है then he will tell 10 others कि इसकी अभी आप कार लेने जाते हो तो साथ ही देखते हो कि इसकी मेंटेनेंस कॉस्ट क्या है.
Yes.
हालांकि ये टैप्स वगैरह में लोग इतना नहीं देखते हैं इसका क्या पड़ेगा, लेकिन whosoever has experienced this कि मेरे को ये ब्रांड यूज़ किया है, मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, he will tell 10 others कि go for that. So itself वो हमें पे करता है.
तो और अभी आपका कुछ जल के लिए विजन की आप क्या आप इसमें खुश हैं या आप आगे क्या करना चाहते हैं? कुछ हर कंपनी का एक विजन रहता है.
Yes. We are two partners now who are managing the show, Mr. Vivek Kapoor and myself. So now our second generation, they have also joined us. My son Amandeep Anand, he has joined, and Siddhant Kapoor, he has recently joined the company. तो ये तो इंडस्ट्री का काम तो है ही ऐसे जी कि अगर आप या तो ऊपर चलते जाओगे या नीचे, आप स्टेबल नहीं रह सकते एक जगह आप कि यहाँ रुका रहो. आपको विजन लेना ही पड़ेगा, आपको सोचना ही पड़ेगा. We are planning for a new manufacturing unit also to increase the capacity.
Okay.
With all the latest technology, and we are exploring all the possibilities for that. So we may go for private equity also. We may go for some other arrangement. So we are trying to go for a big unit also. And product line तो हमारी है ही ऐसी है, aesthetics वाली जो रोल है इसका फिटिंग्स का. You have to bring new and new product designs. तो पुराने वाले डिस्कार्ड करने पड़ते हैं. As you told you कि we have about 30 ranges. तो recently also we have discarded 3-4 ranges और उसकी जगह नई रेंजेस लेके आ रहे हैं, नए प्रोडक्ट लेके आ रहे हैं. That is a continuous process. कि वो चलता ही रहेगा. आपने हर 6 महीने साल बाद एक नई डिज़ाइन रेंज देना ही है. We have in-house all the facilities and we are doing that. Or other than that, we are going for a other manufacturing plant, new plant, which is not possible within the city of Mali. So we may have to go out of the city to get a land at reasonable price.
Definitely.
And we need more space now. For that we are planning.
So now when you just mentioned कि you are discarding some ranges or discontinuing some ranges.
Yes.
So now if a customer has installed those ranges.
Yes.
So are the spare parts available of those ranges? I mean,
yes. Even our dealers, they have some stock of those products.
Okay.
So it is not like that okay, today we have sent and told the people that we are discontinuing. We give a sufficient time to them.
Okay.
Okay, after 2 months or 3 months, these products will be not available. We will try to give you whatever you require in that range.
Okay.
एक range में there are about say again 20-25 products.
Okay.
तो ये नहीं है किसी के पास 10 प्रोडक्ट पड़े हैं डिफरेंट डिज़ाइन चीज़ के तो उसको और कुछ चाहिए. सो फर्स्ट वी ट्राई टू गिव देम दैट कि उसके साथ मिलेंगे उसको. वी गिव देम सफिशिएंट टाइम आल्सो एंड स्पेयर्स अवेलेबिलिटी इट विल
ऑलवेज बी देयर.
लेट्स से वी हैव ए प्राइस लिस्ट ऑफ स्पेयर्स व्हिच इज वेरी एग्जॉस्टिव.
Okay.
You will not find even with our competitors that kind of price list that it gives a note that we have all the spare parts available with the technicians and for servicing. So we try to satisfy the customers. We take care of those things कि अगर आपने प्रोडक्ट आपने रेंज बंद भी करनी है तो ये नहीं है कि उसको बाद में टैप ही चेंज करना पड़े. So, पर अभी तो ट्रेंड भी आ रहा है जी कि people are now changing their bathroom every 5 years, 6
yes,
years.
Previously it would not happen for 10-15 years. Yes.
Now people they want the new products and new changes. तो ये चीज़ भी एक मार्केट में बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी क्रिएट कर रही है ये चीज़ रेनोवेशंस. न्यू जनरेशन के टेस्ट चेंज हो रहे हैं. Even if you find that the dealers who are working with us, the first generation, now the second generation has come. And their taste is different. Now we focus more on displays. उसकी किसी की शॉप में डिस्प्ले कैसी है. Previously it was stocks. People were showing कि मेरे पास इतना स्टॉक पड़ा है डीलर के पास. सामने डब्बे वो सजा के रखता था प्रोडक्ट्स को. लेकिन अब you won't find stocks over there. you'll find the different displays.
Different.
So we have given a scheme also to our dealers for this shop in shop we call, or Jal Shoppies, and we are going for a good number of those Jal Shoppies and shop in shops, where we take the measurement of the space available from him, and the rest is our job. We get it designed in-house, then get the approval of the 3D designs from the dealer, customer. After that, we do fabrication and we do installation of that. Certainly, there are some terms conditions that he has to fulfill this much target over the period to have it. So that kind of facilities we are giving to the people. Or abhi hai, or we are getting very good response for that. So these are the plans जो चलते ही रहते हैं कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा. Then we have time to time different schemes from the plumbers and a few things for their welfare also. Plumbers के लिए हम उनकी जो knowledge increase करने के लिए product के लिए how to install these new products हम plumber meet करते हैं.
Okay.
ताकि जो नए प्रोडक्ट हम दे रहे हैं they are easy for them to install. और ऐसी डिस्कशंस होती हैं उनके साथ. वी आल्सो गेट द फीडबैक फ्रॉम देम कि कहाँ पे कैसी कैसी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है इनको. देन वी टेक केयर ऑफ दोज प्रॉब्लम्स एंड गिव द सोल्यूशन फॉर दैट आल्सो. सो इट्स म्यूचुअल. देन वी अप्रोच द आर्किटेक्ट्स आल्सो. वी पार्टिसिपेट इन नाउ ड्यूरिंग कोविड बहुत सारी एग्जीबिशन अभी बंद हो गई नहीं होती. देयर मैनी स्पेसिफिक एग्जीबिशंस फॉर द बिल्डिंग मटीरियल्स और हम लोग ज़्यादा बिल्डिंग मटीरियल एग्जीबिशन में ही पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं. तो एवरी ईयर वी हैव बीन पार्टिसिपेट अबाउट से 15 to 20 एग्जीबिशंस इन अ ईयर. और अब वो वर्चुअल होने लगी हैं, लेकिन नाउ वी हैव अडॉप्टेड दिस सोशल मीडिया टू अप्रोच द पीपल. उसके थ्रू बहुत सारी अवेयरनेस हो रही है ब्रांड के लिए करते हैं. सो दीज आर ऑनगोइंग एक्टिविटीज़.
Are you planning to launch some new ranges, or how often do you launch new ranges or new products?
We try to give 1 or 2 ranges in a year, every year.
Okay.
For the new. Again, next we are giving a different name for the ranges, which will be premium ranges now.
Okay.
So ये भी अपडेशन की बात जो बता रहा हूँ अभी. Now people are spending good amount on their bathrooms
yes,
and kitchens.
Yes.
Long back it was only drying rooms. People were spending more money.
Yes.
But now it's more on bathrooms. And
Yes.
so we are also, now people have more money also to make good new kitchens and good bathrooms. They are spending money. So according to that we are making our products also upgraded products. People have that capacity to spend. So accordingly we are giving the new high version of products also. We have all the products. We have economy products also. We are catering to government projects also, and then to mid segment and high mid segment. These we are sending. And as I told you, we have a joint venture with an Italian company where we cater to the premium segment. So we are selling the products to 5-star, 7-star properties.
Thank you, Anandji, for this wonderful conversation. A lot of insights and a lot of in-depth knowledge on how taps are made. And previously, I used to just go to the bathrooms and turn on the tap, the water used to come. But now we actually know what is the process behind the taps. Thank you so much for your time.
It's my pleasure to have the conversation with you.
Thank you. It was a wonderful conversation with Mr. B.S. Anand, the founder and director of Jal. For all updates on the new products of Jal, kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you.